There's no reason to complain. Won't you step inside my door? You might smile forevermore. So won't you come inside my door? There's no need to be so cold. Just no need to be so cold. When there's something deep within, let it out and you'll begin to come inside my door. And I will take you to a place where you've never been, where all the sadness in your heart will begin to end. And that's because you don't know just how well it shows to the naked eye, not just only mine. I tell you, let's see, everybody knows, 'cause in your smile it shows.